Did you know? The horse, a majestic creature, has a memory that rivals an elephant's, remembering events and people from over 20 years ago. No wonder they say, a horse never forgets. And their eyes? The largest among all land mammals, providing an almost panoramic view of their surroundings. But here's a fun fact: horses can't vomit. Their one-way valve at the base of the esophagus makes this impossible. And have you ever wondered why horses sleep standing up? It's an evolutionary trait, allowing them to make a quick getaway from predators. Finally, a horse's teeth can give away its age. They grow and change throughout their life. Isn't that fascinating? Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, there's always more to know.
Snap! There's a koala munching on eucalyptus leaves. Did you know koalas eat up to 2.5 pounds of these leaves daily? That's a whole lot of salad. Hold on, ever wondered why they're always caught snoozing? Well, they sleep for up to 20 hours a day to conserve energy. Talk about a power nap. And get this, despite their teddy bear-like appearance, koalas aren't bears. They're marsupials like kangaroos and wombats. Fun fact, a baby koala, also known as a joey, is only as big as a jelly bean when born. Tiny, isn't it? But remember, koalas are facing threats due to habitat loss. So let's cherish these adorable creatures while we can. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.
Ever heard of a capybara? The world's largest rodent, tipping the scales at a whopping 150 pounds. Native to South America, these gentle giants are semi-aquatic, spending most of their day lounging in water to keep cool and evade predators. Their teeth never stop growing, a bit like a beaver's, and they chow down on grasses and aquatic plants to keep them in check. Capybaras are social creatures, often spotted in groups of 10 to 20. And get this, they're so chill, animals of different species often hang around them just to share in their calm energy. Did you know a capybara can sleep underwater, leaving just their noses out to breathe? Now that's one cool rodent. Stay tuned for more fascinating facts on the next loop.
Did you know? Elephants are known for their size, but their intelligence is just as impressive. They have the largest brain of all land animals and are capable of complex thought and deep emotion. Their memory is exceptional. They can remember friends and events from years ago. Also, they mourn their dead, a behavior rarely seen in the animal kingdom. Elephants also have a unique communication system. They use infrasound, a low-frequency sound inaudible to the human ear, to communicate over long distances. And those trunks? They're a multi-purpose tool, used for breathing, smelling, touching, and even as an extra hand to pick up tiny objects. So next time you see an elephant, remember, they're not just big, they're big-brained too.
Did you know? Kangaroos are the world's largest marsupials. They can reach up to 6 feet tall, imagine that. But here's a twist, their babies are incredibly tiny, roughly 1 inch long when born. Talk about extremes, here's more. Kangaroos are great jumpers. A full-grown kangaroo can leap up to 25 feet in a single bound. That's longer than a standard car. They can also reach speeds of over 35 miles per hour. Usain Bolt, watch out. And for the finale, kangaroos can't walk backwards. That's right. They're all about moving forward. Fascinating, isn't it? Remember, there's always something new to learn about our planet's incredible wildlife. Keep exploring, keep discovering. Until next time, stay curious.
Imagine a creature that can walk up walls, regenerate its own tail, and possesses a tongue longer than its body. Meet the gecko. These fascinating reptiles are more than just insurance mascots. Did you know geckos have sticky feet? Their tiny toes are covered in hundreds of thousands of hair-like structures, enabling them to scale walls and even hang upside down. What's more, they can shed their tails to escape predators, and amazingly, the tail grows back. Their tongues are freakishly long, sometimes even outsizing their body, used to clean their eyeballs. Now that's a tongue twister. So next time you see a gecko, remember, it's not just a cute face, it's a tiny superhero in disguise.
Did you know dogs' noses are as unique as human fingerprints? That's right, no two are the same. And while we humans might boast about our 23 pairs of chromosomes, dogs outdo us with 39. Ever wondered why dogs curl up to sleep? It's an age-old instinct to keep warm and protect vital organs while they rest. And here's a fun fact. The Basenji breed is known as the barkless dog because it doesn't bark like other dogs. Instead, it yells. So, next time you look at your furry friend, remember, they're not just cute, they're fascinating creatures packed with intriguing facts. And that's a wrap for today's bite-sized knowledge boost.
Pop open the curiosity box, and let's delve into the world of the adorable yet elusive red panda. First off, they're not pandas at all. They belong to their own unique family, Ailuridae. Another surprise, they're herbivore carnivores. Sounds like an oxymoron, right? While they belong to the carnivore order, their diet is primarily bamboo. Ever wondered why they're so acrobatic? Their flexible wrist bones act like a thumb, aiding their treetop frolic. And here's the cherry on top. Unlike their black and white cousins, red pandas love the cold. Snowy days are their favorite. In just 60 seconds, you've journeyed into the fascinating realm of the red panda. Keep exploring, and the world will continue to amaze you.
Imagine a creature so chill it only moves 15 feet in an entire day. Welcome to the world of sloths, nature's laid-back loungers. They spend up to 90% of their lives hanging upside down thanks to their strong, curved claws. And did you know, they're not lazy, just energy efficient. Their slow metabolism means they can survive on just a handful of leaves each day. Even their digestion is slow, taking up to a month to process a single meal. But don't underestimate them. In water, they're 3 times faster than on land, and they can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes. So next time you're rushing about, remember the sloth. They're living proof that sometimes slow and steady wins the race.
Imagine a creature that can grow up to 30 feet long and weigh as much as 250 pounds. Welcome to the world of pythons, some of the largest snakes on the planet. These giants are non-venomous and kill their prey by constriction, wrapping their powerful bodies around their catch and squeezing until the prey can no longer breathe. Pythons are found mainly in Asia, Africa, and Australia, thriving in rainforests, grasslands, and even swamps. What's fascinating is their ability to go without food for up to a year after a hefty meal, thanks to their slow metabolism. Despite their fearsome reputation, pythons are rather reclusive and avoid humans. They have heat-sensing pits along their jaws, which help them detect warm-blooded prey even in complete darkness. So next time you think of a python, remember, they're not just powerful predators, but remarkable survivors of nature's design.
Imagine a world where the clever fox isn't just a character in fables, but a real cunning creature of the wild. Foxes, with their sharp eyes and bushy tails, are masters of adaptability. Thriving in forests, mountains, and even urban areas, these mammals are as versatile as they are mysterious. Did you know? Foxes use Earth's magnetic field to hunt. Yes, like a compass, this helps them calculate the trajectory to pounce on prey hidden under snow or leaves. And when they leap, it's a calculated move called mousing. Their vocal range is impressive too. From quick barks to eerie howls, each sound is a coded message. So next time you hear a rustle or a distant call, think of the crafty fox, weaving through the shadows of our stories and the real world. Imagine a creature so powerful it can smell a seal through 3 feet of ice, yet so vulnerable that its very home melts beneath its paws. Welcome to the world of the polar bear, the largest land carnivore on Earth. These majestic giants roam the Arctic ice, with adult males weighing as much as 1,400 pounds, about the same as a small car. But did you know polar bears are actually black? Yes, under that thick insulating coat of white fur, their skin is black, helping them soak up the sun's rays. And those hairs aren't just white, they're hollow, creating an insulating layer that traps heat. With the ice caps shrinking, polar bears are now a symbol of the urgent need to address climate change. They remind us of the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems.
Imagine a creature so mighty it can weigh as much as 800 pounds and stand nearly 9 feet tall. Enter the world of the brown bear, a true marvel of nature. These giants are found across diverse habitats in North America, Europe, and Asia. Their sense of smell is extraordinary, 2,000 times more potent than that of a human, allowing them to detect distant food sources. Remarkably, during winter, they hibernate, significantly slowing their metabolic rate, enabling months without food or drink. Their diet varies by location. Coastal bears mainly consume fish, whereas inland bears prefer fruits and insects. Understanding these creatures helps us appreciate the complexity and beauty of the natural world.
Picture the rhinoceros, a mighty creature that has roamed the earth for over 50 million years. Despite their armored exterior, rhinos are surprisingly gentle, often forming close bonds and playing with each other. Their most distinctive feature? Their horns, made of keratin, the same substance in human hair and nails. However, these magnificent animals are targeted by poachers for these horns, based on debunked myths of medicinal properties. Rhinos communicate with honks, grunts, and whistles, revealing their social nature beyond mere brute force. Remember, these creatures are not just ancient survivors. They're social, playful, and deeply misunderstood. Conservation efforts are crucial to keep their stories alive for future generations. Let's cherish and protect the rhinos.
Dive into the fascinating world of giraffes, the skyscrapers of the animal kingdom. Towering at 14 to 19 feet, they're the tallest mammals on Earth. But did you know their necks, despite their length, contain the same number of vertebrae as a human neck? Yes, just 7. Ever wondered how giraffes sleep? They catch quick naps of just 5 to 30 minutes throughout the day, standing up. In fact, they spend most of their lives standing, even giving birth upright. Their long legs aren't just for reaching treetops. They can achieve speeds of up to 35 miles per hour, easily outrunning most predators. Last but not least, those distinctive spots. Not only are they unique to each giraffe, like human fingerprints, they also help regulate body temperature. So, next time you spot a giraffe, remember, there's more to them than meets the eye.
Cold open, sublime creatures pandas are, a symbol of tranquility, yet full of surprises. Did you know a newborn panda is about the size of a stick of butter? That's right, these colossal creatures start life incredibly small. Pandas, they're not just black and white. Their distinct colouring serves a purpose. Black patches aid in blending with the shadows. White helps them hide in snowy landscapes. Nature's very own masters of disguise. And here's a fun fact. Bamboo, it's their main diet, right? Well, pandas can consume up to 25 kilos a day. That's like eating 50 burgers. In the world of pandas, one thing's for sure, there's always more than meets the eye. Intriguing, aren't they? Stay curious, for knowledge is an adventure. Loop back for more fascinating facts. Endless wonder, one shot at a time.
Did you know that sharks have been around for over 400 million years, even before dinosaurs? That's right. Sharks are ancient creatures, rich in history and full of intriguing facts. For instance, sharks have an exceptional sense of smell. They can detect a single drop of blood in an Olympic-sized swimming pool. Now that's a nose job we can't compete with, and guess what? Sharks never run out of teeth. When one falls out, another one simply takes its place. They can have up to 30,000 teeth in a lifetime that can span 70 years or more for some species. Sharks are fascinating, aren't they? So next time you think of sharks, remember these impressive facts. They're not just scary sea creatures, they're marvels of nature. Stay curious and keep exploring. This world is full of wonders, just waiting to be discovered.
Leap into the world of frogs, fascinating creatures that have been around for more than 200 million years. Did you know some frogs can jump up to 20 times their body length? That's like a human jumping over a basketball court in a single bound. And how about their skin? It's not just a camouflage outfit, but also a vital source of hydration. Many frogs absorb water through their skin, skipping the drinking process altogether. Ever heard a symphony of ribbits? Frogs can have unique calls, some even melodious enough to rival a songbird. And the icing on the cake? Some frogs can freeze in winter and thaw in spring, unharmed. There you have it. Frogs, not just greenhoppers, but true marvels of nature. Until next time, keep leaping into knowledge.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.